Hello dear students. In this video we will talk about the another important topic, pedigree analysis. Basically this term is used to study human genetics and it is also utilized to trace the inheritance of the specific traits. In human genetics, pedigree analysis provides a strong tool and we know that it is utilized to trace the inheritance of the specific traits. Which types of traits? For example, from the forefather, if different types of abnormalities or disorders whenever they transfer into the next progeny and the next generation, then they can be easily traced by the pedigree analysis. So that's why pedigree analysis play a very important role. But before we start the pedigree analysis, some of the important standard symbols used in this pedigree analysis, and they have been shown following. Following terms are related to these all symbols. What are they? Have a look. First symbol. This whole circle is denotes female and this rectangle surface is related to the male. This conical rectangle surface, it is related to the sex unspecified. It means either it is male and female, not mentioned. If the particular female is affected, it is colored by, or the whole circle is filled by the different types of color. If it is colored, then we can easily trace that the particular female is suffering from different types of disease or affected. If male have got these types of problem, then male is affected. Next, if the male and female they are half colored, it means both male and female are carrier for the autosomal genes. It means they have got 50-50% characters. Now, if the female have got a DOS in their center, it means female is a carrier for the X or the sex linkage recessive genes. Now this is important. If the male and female they both have got a line which connect these both male and female terms, then this denotes mating or reproduction or cross. If two types of lines are present between male and female, it means mating takes place between relatives. So these all symbols are related to the pedigree analysis. Other symbols, for example, the T-like structure. It represents the next generation. Suppose this is female, this is male, and whenever the cross takes place, then three types of generations are related to it. These denotes progenies or offsprings. If male and female they reproduce one male and one female by same zygote, so they are known as by the two types of zygotes, they are known as non-identical twins or the dizygotic. They can be male and female both, they can be both female and further both male maybe. So these all terms are related to the non-identical twins or dizygotic human beings or the dizygotic offspring. Opposite, if the male and female they reproduce both types of female and both types of male, and these both male and female are interconnected by a link or the straight line, it denotes the identical twins. Or the if it is interconnected between the female, they are identical females. If it is interconnected between two identical males, it means they both are identical males or monozygotic twins. So further, if the particular male and female are enclosed in a big bracket or the long bracket, then it denotes adopt child. If they have got a tilted line from their axis, then they denotes they have got disease or they are die. So these all important terms are, or the important symbols are related to the pedigree analysis. Remember these all important symbols.